I need some fucking braces. I'm gonna get some more. Looking like rock. Popping that boy like pop. Sit on a bitch like pop. I know the thing in the rocks. That's my socks. Yeah, yeah, I remember. Oh. I ain't gonna lie. I got this buying. So all right, 7. My boy, what's good? What's good? Now I ain't trade the charts in a minute, but I'll be looking at this every day. I'm mad because I remember US 30 I bought right here. Right here. It went up to here, closed me out. I should have just held because I knew it was going up, and now it's almost back at highs. Damn, I could have been up, but oh well. It's a prop firm account. But that bro, you said you got an FTMO John. I might have to slide with you with that 100 count. When you gonna start that 100? I might have to slide because yeah, I might have to slide on that. How much what was it? It must have been like what, like 550? I'm still 550? 570? 550? Dang, I didn't even know you could do FTMO. That's why I was doing E8. Oh, it's a discount? Yeah, I'm about to buy one right now then. Not right now, but how long the discount? Yeah, I don't get paid, but if oh yeah, New Year flash sale 20% off. I see it. Dang. I see the jump. Yeah, I might have to get this. I might have to get this. I gotta verify. Damn. When FTMO come back? Bro, if I knew that, I'm doing this. I didn't know if yeah, it's back. When you start US. Damn. Oh, come on, Virginia. All right. Dang, FTMO back. Let me see how much this challenge. I'm trying to just check this jump. Dang. The last time I done it was January 2022. Dang. Let me see, new FTMO account. 20%. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this. When they did this, when they put FTMO back in the US. Oh, it's only 495? Ooh. 495? Yeah, your boy about to purchase. Uh, damn. All right. I know the volume good now. All right, the volume now. Woo! I didn't, bro. We got it's 495. Bro, I got someone who want to learn this joint too. He really was pressing me. I'm like, I had people press me before about, hey, I'm trying to learn this joint, but man, I could really teach someone something. I really just try to teach people long term. US 30 knowledge, Tesla. I really try to point people to the stocks way. I don't really try to tell them go my way. But yeah, let's just see what I see for 30. Ooh, hey, I'm gonna have to talk about these prop firms. FTMO back? Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk about that one. I did not. When did FTMO even come back? That's crazy. I swear, because I went on FTMO like probably September. It was not there because I was gonna do the FTMO challenge. What made FTMO come back though? That's what I want to know. Well, I knew we always knew it was gonna come back, but yeah, I'm glad it did because it's like other prop firms are using this E8. Oh man. Oh no, do they got? I ain't gonna lie, do they got Trade Locker? I fuck with Trade Locker, but I might have to go back to MetaTrader. I ain't used MetaTrader in a minute. Let me see. I don't think they got Trade Locker. Let me see. Yeah, no Trade Locker. Fuck. Damn. I fuck with Trade Locker though. I really do fuck with Trade Locker. That shit. Damn. I mess with Trade Locker. Cause Trade Locker, they got the joint where you could just say, "Hey, I only want to lose $280," instead of saying putting a lot size, and they just calculate the lots for you. That's the only thing I like about Trade Locker. Damn, MetaTrader gotta do that by now. It cannot be like this. I ain't used MetaTrader in like a year, like 2 years. Let me see 30. So 30, like I said, I bought down here, sold off when I seen it touch highs. Mm, I still got hope and buys, but if it just keeps sinking below here, I don't got it buying. Let me see 4 hours. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, yeah, it's holding pretty good. So most likely it wants to go up. I like it though. I like it. Like I probably would have bought somewhere around here. Probably would have went break even ish. But it hit here, then it came back. Or I probably would have just stayed in. So 30, I would like for it to buy, but if it don't, I just never catch a buy. Let's see Nas. I drew this yesterday. It doesn't want to break here, and then buys above here. So recently, it's gonna come back up here somewhere. But as long as it's not really breaking here, let's go to 4 hour. But I like it went up, pushed up again, and we just retracing. Mm, mm, I I got it going up. Let's see, I got it going up. I just don't know when. Like today, like I said, I just wouldn't even trade today. Like today wasn't really no good. Unless you want to enter from somewhere down here just to take that risk. But let me see. It came up. They did this today. Did this today. Boom. You could have bought right here. You could have bought somewhere like because it went up. It's not. It's like in its range and area, but it's like it wants to go up somewhere. Like comes up, comes down. It's about 10:30. Yeah, 10:30. Let's look at 5. 10:30. I really wanted to come above here for the here. That's what I thought. So I would have did something like this. Maybe caught a buy like right here. Put the TP right here. And probably just closed out like right here. Like maybe a little lower, like right here. So I would have bought, but I would have went break even because look how much it's ranging. I would have just said boom, boom. Once it hit like right here, I would have just closed out. So it hit here, boom, low break even. I don't know. I go break even a lot, so I'm fine with going break even. I'm real fine with going break even. Gold. Let's look at gold. Mm, nice sell here to here. Wouldn't sell though. Uh, I don't know what I do with it. I probably wouldn't do nothing because I still, hopefully, I can get a buy. But there's no strong wicks. It's not like the market ain't formed nothing for me to buy or even sell. At the most, you can just sold here. At the most, at the most, you could have sold here to maybe here, but that's it. Silver. This is something you hold, breakout, boom, 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 come, buy. Mm. You see, I would have did this, break even, close out at break even. You see, I'd have did something like this, close out at break even, came here. Look, cause look, even here, that's a nice 3R right there with that GJ. Bro, I love GJ, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I love GJ. Cause granted, I probably would have took profit. Probably not. I probably would have went break even. But look how this look. And I still like the buys for this. Bro, because anything above here is really buys. And it's not breaking. Anything above my yellow bar, yellow is the buy. And look how strong this is. It's not breaking. You buy. You look at this today. Boom. It came down. Bro, look at this is still a good trade though. Because look, you get in by the time it's like 3 o'clock, boom, they take you out when London session hit. Looks nasty today. Well, the market always look nasty, so I'm not really found on this market structure. And then I ain't gonna lie. If you want to be a risky motherfucker, if you just want to be a risky nigga, I wouldn't do it, but just buy like right here. And then just make your stop loss like very small. Something like this. Like that. And then just try to bring it back to like right here. That's still a nice one. Cause look, you could just all right. So say it hit here, you go break even. You're still in the books. But I wouldn't do that. I like GJ. We're gonna work mainly on GJ next week, yeah. Because I just love I just love market structure for GJ. EU is doing a nice trend right now. I don't really care. It's gonna. I like how this look. It's about to do one of those. It's about to do one of them flag shits. Like it's in an uptrend. You see how strong this went up. It just retracing. Then it's gonna brown. Then it's just gonna break up. Trust me, it's just gonna break up. Yeah, this is one of those that's just gonna break up. And then yeah, this looks nice. I could see boom, 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 boom. I like this. This look nice. Gee, this looks nasty. I wouldn't trade it so far. Unless you want to be like I said, risky, you buy here, you lose. Um what the fuck did I just put this here? Oh yeah, I would have bought it. Did I put it? No, because it's not this today. I wouldn't have put this. I might have just put this there. Okay. So 30. Oh no, I did. You could have bought it here. I like this cell like right here. I like this cell because it shows. I wouldn't have sold me personally. I wouldn't sell. I probably just wait it out, but I'll probably sell like right here. Push that down right there. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I don't really got much to say though, but I'm gonna do a FTMO series. I don't really got too much. I like how Meta coming back. Damn, Meta is coming back. No, I don't be looking at Meta. Meta just made a comeback though. And remember, I was like down here. I wouldn't have traded it. Well, if it was long term, I kept saying long term, just buy. But no, I'm not. I'm tripping. I'm right here. Wow, I thought I was on an hour. Okay. Yeah, I must trade. Bro, I'm gonna throw. I gotta throw GJ in there. I'm gonna throw GJ. Like you said, 30 Nas. Yeah, that's all. That's all I traded. Gold was hot. Nas 30. I gotta throw GJ in there. That jump too smooth. GJ really made most of my money. I'm not gonna hold you. I don't know. I just like GJ. And then I just love the structure of it. Nas 30, gold. I might get gold to break low key. I might just trade GJ and like Nas 30. Unless you want to keep buying gold, sure, but we just gonna stick to GJ. Hey, GJ been going crazy. Yeah, we just gonna stick to GJ. Um, let's see. Let's see any end of periods we can look at. That meta. All right, yeah. Let's go back to meta. Go to 4 hour. Um. hmm. I low key. I like how meta looks. I probably would have. Let's see something. I like how meta looks. I like how meta looks. I'm trying to see goodbyes. Breaks out, comes here, boom, boom. It's 3. Maybe this is a goodbye. This is I probably would have bought something like this. Put it right here. I probably would have bought something like this, bring it back up to here. Really, I'm not really like right here, in all honesty. This is what I got out of metal. This would have been my first type buy. My second buy would have been right here off meta because like I keep saying, anything here can go here. Anything in this yellow could go here. So at least there. So I probably would have another buy is like right, like 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 right here, somewhere like right here. Let me see. Let me look at the lower time frame. Yeah, something like this. I can. Yeah, somewhere around here. Uh, let me look at this. It's something like this. I probably would have bought Meta. Long term, I probably would have just been bought it though. Like maybe like right here or something. I ain't gonna lie. Like once it did this, I probably would have just bought it after this damn dip. I ain't gonna lie. Hop on this call. Yeah, yeah, we gonna lock in. Cause I'm gonna start I already got the multi-stream set up for next year. I want to start fresh and clean. I should have just started this year, but I ain't been trading. So once I start trading, like I'm gonna do I'm about an FTMO. I'm gonna do like a FTMO series on the TikTok. Um, I'm gonna start posting videos on YouTube. I'm gonna try to push my shit like on more websites like Facebook, Instagram. But that should be it. Just be tiring. I'll be a busy nigga. But water hitting. Yeah, I'm gonna just do the FTMO. Be like FTMO back. Do that. Make some payouts. I'll be good. Another John I would have bought from John. Cause this is like maybe I even wait. I probably would have waited. Let's see. Like I won't even know. I won't buy this yet. I mean, if it come back down here and it doesn't break, I probably buy off meta. But this look clean. This would have been a clean buy. This would have been super clean. This is already like a risky. I be doing them risky, but I'm gonna do that firm. I already got my TikTok. Oh shit, I got to tell you the TikTok. I already set up the laws and stuff. I ain't do no live there yet, but I already set up the TikTok. Um, let's look at something else. Cause I'm gonna stop the YouTube. I ain't gonna stop the YouTube, but I just want to multi-stream on other stuff. Cause I know TikTok, I'm gonna get views. I could TikTok, I don't know. Something about TikTok just show you love. I just be trolling on TikTok like with my other accounts and like I be playing like the game or something, Overwatch game while I just be talking. And it be hella niggas commenting. You go on Facebook or something, Instagram, I don't really be getting no love. But if I go on TikTok, I be getting hella likes and views and comments. I be like, damn, it TikTok make a nigga want to post up there. Nah, let's see. Let's look at Amazon. Long term, like I said, long term, you buy right here. I bought this November. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, you see it, no love, but I'ma still stream every day. You feel me? I don't give a fuck, but I'ma just go where the people want the views. I'ma still stream on YouTube first though. I'ma just multi-stream. Yeah, I'ma always stream though. Cause one person might just look back on it and really just need this joint. Really, I might need this joint. But I like this Amazon, man. Amazon long term. Yeah, because next year I'm getting into long term. I'm gonna get into long term. I got some real money investments coming in. I'm gonna just buy like some like long term stuff like this. Amazon. Let me break. I don't really want to break. I probably would have just bought long term. What I got with Amazon. Yeah, I don't have to buy. Yeah, this look clean. Yeah, this was a nice buy. Yeah, this would have been nice. Yeah, I like this right here. Let's go. Let's go on a smaller time frame. Mm, let's see. Let's see what's today. Tuesday. It's 9. No. We'll wake up. This is risky because I'm trying to. Okay, so say from here, you maybe you buy somewhere into here today. If you do buy, so I would have bought some. Let's see. Let's look at 5 minutes. So all right, Tuesday, boom, boom. It opens up. No, all right. Let's look at 9:30. 9:30 it opens up. It comes back down. 10. You see this long. Fuck. Let me see. All right, 9:30. Boom. It wicks out. It comes up. It comes back down. Maybe I won't buy because I see this wick. It comes down again. It comes back. It comes maybe here, right here. I'll probably buy right here. At most, put the stop loss somewhere a little bit down here. Mm, I like the TP like right here. Damn, yeah, this would have worked. Granted, I probably would have bought somewhere around here at most, maybe, or right here. This I like this. I love this for Amazon. Like long term, I got where I bought. I would have bought down here. I bought last month off this. This is the same. No, I would have bought it on the 21st of November. Granted, it did come back here on the 18th, but it went back up. Once it went back up, like past here, I probably would have just bought again for long term purposes. Like long term, if it came down here and it broke up, came down and broke up again, I don't know what I would have did because I don't know what my stop loss would. I don't know what my stop loss would be, but I just buy just cause, and then just try to hold it. Like if you just thinking of holding it, I would have just bought right here. I don't know what the stop loss would have been. I would have just bought it. But like day trading, I would have bought right here. Let's see, Amazon. Oh, what we looked at? We didn't look at Tesla yet. Tesla, like I said, bought right here because I'm a genius. Like I said, long term, I would have bought in fucking May. In all honesty, I never had Tesla going down. Like I would have bought like once I seen it started coming back up from like here. Once it did this in like May, oh yeah, I would have bought somewhere around here, July, and I would have just held to, like I said here. It went here. I kept saying since July. I'm like, the market always comes back to the same spot it originally was at. It always do, especially if it's a flowing market. Like it's a good stop. It always comes back to where the high was at. It always comes back. That's why if it's a strong dip and you want to invest, like I think Netflix is doing like Netflix. Netflix is a good ass buy. Like if you just want to buy long term, just buy the shit. Netflix is striving. Netflix is in the Nasdaq, nigga. So it's like it's a nice little buy because anything really that might come above here might just go all the way back up here. Maybe I don't know. Let me see the daily. Daily wise, I don't know. It might. I might just be over exaggerating. But I still do like buys of Nas. It might do one more drop per se, but I still wouldn't mind. Like if it did one more drop, I'd be like, okay, you could just buy. And it did a profit split. Yeah, I like how Netflix look. Netflix is good for long term buys for anyone who wants to buy. Netflix. Um, let's look at a video. We look at a video in a minute. Let's see. I probably would have lost this one, but let's see. Let's do some we're thinking for the 4 hour. What can we see is an uptrend that doesn't want to go down. It has the potential to at least come here, but it didn't when I drew this one. It didn't. I thought it was strong enough because I'm like, all right, it doesn't want to break. It doesn't want to break it. When I'm looking back, it's like, all right, it just doesn't want to break. But it did break. But it's still a good. Let's see. Let's look at the album. Boom, boom. From here, Friday. This would have been a good buy for me right here. Somewhere right here. And then I would have just did this. Like I'd be realistic though. Look how realistic I'd be. Like jump here. I'd have just closed out at break even because what I would have bought here. It would once it hit here, I'm like, it has the potential to go back down. Boom, it comes here, it goes back down. Let's see. Then it kind of goes up kind of quick. I don't like it. If it does just go up, that means you just missed it out. I ain't gonna lie, it has the potential to go up. Like just boom. Like Nvidia does has that potential to just like, okay, it's time to just keep going up. It does have that potential right now. Would I be shocked if Nvidia just keep going up? No, I absolutely would not. I don't know. Yeah, Nvidia. Shout out Nvidia. I don't see nothing that's telling me it wants to go down. I honestly don't. But I could be wrong. But if I was Nvidia is the type of jump. If I was in it, it's either you win it or you're not. Let me see something else. Apple just it's going up. Boom. Apple got the potential to go. I wouldn't trade it right now. Let's see how. Right now, it's always a buy momentum, but it's selling right now. It's just retracing. In all honesty, um, let's see. 4 hour. Let's look at this. Boom, boss. Oh my gosh, yeah, boss. Because it's don't have. You gotta remember, it's really an uptrend. I don't give a fuck about this fake out. So it's telling me it wants to go up. We'll buy somewhere like right here. Make it a little like right here. Close out break even right here. Just close out break even like right here. Because it has the potential to at least tap this and then just go back down. Or if it does tap this, it can come to here. Either one works. But my main TP would have been here. My closeout or 50% would have been like right here. Let's see. Goggle. I don't like the recovery rate of this, but boom, boom, it breaks out, boom. I don't want to buy. I won't touch this. It just don't look that pleasing to me. What the fuck happened to Disney? Let's see Disney. Hmm. Disney one of those ones that's like it's so confusing. Like Disney hasn't been like I don't know what the fuck Disney's been on. I guess I don't know. And so far might do something nasty. You said buy here, it would have hit. Won't buy somewhere right here. It would have hit. Yeah, yeah. That's all I got for today, man. I ain't gonna do too much. I ain't gonna do too much today because I'm not even trading. I just want to look over some charts. FTMO series coming soon because my man's is like FTMO is back. I always wanted to do a prop firm series. I just never did it. Well, I'm gonna do a prop firm every trade I take. What I did wrong, what I did right. If I failed, if I passed, I'm gonna post it all 100% authentic, and I'm gonna show you how to pass the real way. So tune in to Vaughn Statistics on what's it called? Fucking TikTok, and yeah, we're gonna keep posting. Hit the lot tomorrow.